In this video, I'll show you how to download and add free wallpapers in Wallpaper engine. Open up Chrome and check my video description for the site link. Scroll down and choose the wallpaper you like the most. And then select the wallpaper. Select download file. Choose one of this server. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select pin drawer and select extract to. Once this extract done, you need to open the wallpaper engine and select open wallpaper, open offline wallpaper and navigate to downloads, open the extracted folder and select the project.json and select open. Click on OK here. As you can see, we have successfully set our wallpaper. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more.